Highway Code Rule for Horse Riders. Rule 55. Avoid roundabouts wherever possible. If you use them, you should keep to the left and watch out for vehicles crossing your path to leave or join the roundabout. Signal right when riding across exits to show you are not leaving. Signal left just before you do leave the roundabout. And this is important that drivers understand what horse riders should do on a roundabout. Other animals. Highway Code Rule 56. Dogs. Do not let a dog out on the road on its own. Keep it on a short lead when walking on the pavement, road or path shared with cyclists or horse riders. In other words, keep your car under tight control, your dog under tight control. Highway Code Rule 57. When in a vehicle, make sure dogs or other animals are suitably restrained so they cannot distract you while you are driving or injure you or themselves if you stop quickly. A seatbelt harness, pet carrier, dog cage or dog guard are ways of restraining animals in cars. So in an accident, dogs could be thrown around and actually injure the occupants of the car. Highway Code Rule 58. Animals being herded. These should be kept under control at all times. You should, if possible, send another person along the road in front to warn other road users, especially at a bend or the brow of a hill. It is safer not to move animals after dark, but if you do, then wear reflective clothing and ensure that lights are carried, white at the front and red at the rear of the herd. As a driver, watch out for people signalling you to slow down or keep over. There may be animals being herded just behind them.